Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where virus and threat protection is showing engine unavailable, then I will help you through the solutions, but there may not be a solution because I faced the same problem and the issue was at the server end. It was with all other systems. So it may need time, but here's what we can try from our end. Restart the security center service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. And then scroll down to the security center service. Right click on that and then select restart if you have the option. Now in many cases you won't even have the option if it's already started. The next one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.